Welcome to part one in the 5-part series titled Content Marketing for Lead Generation. You've probably heard that you need to create content to grow your business, but what kind of content, where do you post it, and how does it actually turn into paying clients? That's what I'm going to unpack for you in these videos. Content doesn't have to go viral to generate leads. In fact, some of the best content marketing strategies have nothing to do with chasing trends and everything to do with creating systems that bring the right people to you. And if you're ready to build your lead generation engine now, be sure to grab my free 30-day YouTube launch kit linked in the description box below. Welcome to my channel. My name is Soraya, and over the past decade, I've helped over 500 brands grow through content. From launching YouTube channels that drive daily leads to building full content funnels. So this is what I do. And in this series, I'll be showing you how to do exactly what I do. Let's start with a few questions. Can content marketing really generate leads, or is it just for brand awareness? Content marketing isn't just for visibility. It's one of the most powerful lead generation tools that you have. The difference is in how you use it. When done strategically, your content works like a magnet. It attracts the right people, it educates them, and it builds trust, and it guides them to take the next step, whether that's downloading a freebie, booking a call, or making a purchase. In fact, some of the highest converting leads that I've seen in client businesses didn't come from ads. They came from consistent targeted content that was designed to solve real problems. How long does it take to start seeing results from content marketing? This is a fair question, and here's the truth. Content marketing is not a slot machine. It's a system. You can get quick wins if you have a solid strategy and a clear offer. I've helped clients see leads in as little as 30 days from launching their YouTube channel or blog. But the real power in content is what happens over time. Content compounds. A blog post from 6 months ago can still be bringing in leads, and a YouTube video can gain traction long after it's posted. That's what makes content sustainable compared to things like paid ads, which stop the second you stop paying. Is content marketing still relevant in 2025 with AI and social media trends? The short answer is absolutely. In fact, it's more relevant than ever. AI can write content, social media platforms can amplify it, but none of that matters if your message isn't clear, helpful, and strategically designed to lead people toward action. Content marketing is evolving, but the fundamentals haven't changed. People still want to learn, connect, and trust before they buy. So here's what's working in 2025 is human-first content backed by smart systems, and that's what I'll be showing you in this series. If this video helped clarify why content marketing matters, hit the like and subscribe, because in part 2 of this video series, I'll be walking you through what kind of content to create to actually attract qualified leads. And if you're ready to build your lead generation engine now, be sure to grab my free 30-day YouTube launch kit linked in the description box below. I'll see you in the next video.